What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to take a look at the Redtiger F7N dash cam. Alright guys, so I got a pretty cool product here. This is a front-facing 4K dash cam by Redtiger. Redtiger can be found on Amazon and they got their own website. I'll go ahead and post links in the description box below for that. If you guys are interested in more information on this or if you want to buy one of these. But this is a 4K ultra high definition front facing dash camera. They do have different models of this. This one is just a front facing cam. They also have one that includes a back and front cam. This one's 4K ultra HD, includes a G-SNESOR. The field of view is 170 degrees, so pretty wide field of view there. Has GPS, loop recording, one-click sharing, Wi-Fi, and is compatible with Android and iOS. So it does have an app that you can download. This is the F7N dash cam. So let's go ahead and get inside the box. I'm going to pull it out of its sleeve here. Real nice packaging. Flip open the top. As you guys can see, here is the dash cam. Real nice and compact. So that's what the dash cam is going to look like. Not very big at all, so it won't take up a lot of room on your windshield, which is nice. It's got the screen on the back there. Now this is a little over a 3-inch screen. Then you got the camera up front here. Like I said earlier, it does shoot in 4K. Go ahead and see what else comes with this dash camera. Looks like they got suction cup mount here for your dash camera. They got 12-volt power supply for it. Looks like it's got a really long cord there. Installation tool. And then it's got your user manual also. Alright, so there's a closer look at the dash camera right there. You can see on the front it's 4K, Wi-Fi, GPS. Now this does have a few different image modes here. It does shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second. It also shoots 2K in 60 frames per second. And then also shoots 1080p at 120 frames per second. The image quality I'll be using this in is 1080p because I'm going to upload some of the video files of this so you guys can see the image quality during the day and at night. This does have a built-in SONY sensor, so it's going to give you real good quality videos. Also, this does have a built-in app which I'll be downloading here shortly to show you guys, but it makes it real easy for you to be able to share on social media, YouTube, Instagram, social media platforms like that. Build quality feels really, really nice on this. Nice size screen on the back there. Got all your buttons, easy accessible. Your SD card there on the side, easy to get to. Up here it's got a audio video in, and then it's got a USB-C port for you to plug in your 12-volt power supply. And then on the suction cup here, it actually has a GPS built into the suction cup. And then up here up top, when this slides into the mount, it's going to connect your GPS. So the built-in GPS on the suction cup here is going to be for tracking speed and location. It's going to give you an idea of what your driving habits look like, and you're going to be able to view that all on the app. Now with this audio video input here, you can see it's like a 3.5 millimeter jack there. You can add an extra backup camera to this if you wish to. And that's pretty much it, guys. So really simple dash cam. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and download the app, and we're gonna go ahead and put some power to this. All right, so I got an Android device here. We're gonna go ahead and download the Redtiger app. So just go ahead and search Redtiger. Then you go ahead and install it. We'll go ahead and let that install. Once you let the app download and it's installed, it's gonna ask you to add a camera. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this into some power here, so I can add this camera to the app and we can navigate through the menu and the app itself. Alright guys, so I got this connected to my tabletop power source. I'm using EcoFlow just for testing purposes. So went ahead, fired this up, and we'll see what this display looks like. Just give you guys an idea of what the screen looks like there. Just got it facing my toolbox. Really nice, clear display there. Really bright and vibrant. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is add this camera to the app that I already downloaded. So as you guys can see here, it shows install the camera and power on. So we hit next because we already did that. It's going to show a Wi-Fi. So select camera, Wi-Fi, and connect. So first thing you got to do is we got to go to the camera here. Go ahead and go back to the menu. Go to settings. Real easy to get to. And then we're going to scroll down to Wi-Fi to turn the Wi-Fi on. Click on that. Go ahead and turn it on. Hit OK. So right now, as you guys can see, the Wi-Fi is on. So we'll go back to our phone here. Hit add camera. So we're going to go ahead. There is the F7N. We're going to click onto that. It does ask for a password. So the password is 1234567 Go ahead and connect it. So now it is connected to the camera. Go ahead and back out of this. Go back to the app. We're going to go ahead and connect only at this time. Now it's adding the camera. Camera connection successful. So there you go. Camera is added to the app. Go into the camera there. And then when you go into the camera, it's just going to show the view of the camera now. So there is the camera view on the app. So that's pretty cool. You do have some settings in the app itself. You can go to camera files. So it's going to click into the files that you currently have. Go ahead and open up this phone here so you guys get a better look. So there is a look at all the camera files. So go ahead and click into one of them. And now it's playing it. Now if you want to download, you can go ahead and download this. You can screenshot it or you can delete it. So if we download this, we'll go ahead and download it. And then once it's downloaded, you can share it, you can edit it from here, you can screenshot it, or you can delete it. So I really like how they designed the app to work with the dash cam to be able to easily view your videos, your photos, and then if need to be, you can save them to your phone or you can share them with friends, family, or social media. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like for now. I just kind of took the extra wire, tied it right there, fits right in that little compartment. I got my power output right here on the top, so that makes it convenient. I did raise the camera up a little bit more, closer to the rear view mirror, just because when I had it lower, it was getting more view of the hood on the screen than I would have preferred it to. Now you could go ahead, you can mount this like up top here, so then you won't get any view of like your hood being recorded or anything. And then that's why they give you the orange tool, because then you can just tuck the wire up underneath your headliner here, run it down, and then to wherever your power outlet is. But I'm gonna keep it simple, just gonna keep it like that for right now for testing purposes. As you guys can see, it doesn't take up a large area of your windshield, so it's not a hazard for blocking your view of anything. Easily can see the screen during the daylight, so that's nice. Also, this mount is adjustable, so you can move it, clicks into place to finally adjust it however you want it. So super easy, literally took me 2 minutes to install. So I'll go ahead, do some driving, record some video, and then we'll see how the video looks. Alright guys, so just going through a few neighborhoods here just to get an idea of what the video quality is. It is on 1080p, 120 frames per second. Should be pretty good quality. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio well. The 3-inch screen, nice and bright. Not too bright to where it's distracting. The camera itself is so small, it's not really distracting at all. Doesn't take a lot of space up on the windshield. The screen's real clear. You can see real well on it. I do have my AC on right now. It's a little overcast. It's later in the day, about 6:30, so sun's going down. Real cloudy out. But on the screen, it still looks really picture perfect, real clear. Excited to see what this video looks like once I download it and view it on my computer. Oh, and also on my phone, because it has Wi-Fi, so I can upload it to my phone too. So that's cool. I already forgot about that. A lot of the dash cams that I've tested in the past didn't have the Wi-Fi and the app built in. So the only way you could view the video was playing it back on the screen if it had a built-in screen, or taking the SD card out and putting it into your computer. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and do a night drive with this Redtiger dash cam. Just like the day video, just doing it in 1080p, 120 frames per second. Just trying to give you guys an idea of what the video quality is going to look like at nighttime with this camera. Once again, looking at the screen on the back, everything looks pretty clear, nice and visible, not too bright in the vehicle at all. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button. Make sure you smash that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you on the next one.